Okay lads, great that you came today. I'll just give you the quick rules on this, right? The big one's 138 kilos and the small one's 114 kilos. The rules is that you get a 10-second drop, right? And then you just got to carry on. And my only tips and advice to you is that don't take off, right? Little steps, keep your chin, your head up and your shoulders back, because if you don't, you'll start coming forward and you'll never get out of it. And this, if you've not got a tolerance to pain, you may as well not even pick them up. But good luck to you guys.
Oh yeah.
Right. Let's get this done, lads. Come on. Right.
Zach's up first, dude. Yeah, baby. Come on, Zach.
Come on. Right, Zach, listen. Get in the zone, man. Right, because this is the hardest thing you're ever going to do. Ever. Period.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
That's it, come on.
Yeah, Zach. All right.
Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Come on, Zach.
8,
You got this.
9.
All right, let's go. Come on. Up.
There you go.
No,
Wee steps. Wee steps.
well done, Paul.
There we go.
Well done.
Here we go.
Freestanding,
Yeah.
and then went with it rather than.
Taking all 5.
I have to strap my belt. Let's go, Josh.
Get
Come
that
on.
grip set.
Let's go, Josh.
Let's go, lads. Come on.
Go. Come on.
Come on. Up.
Stand up.
That's it.
Nice side.
Wee steps.
Little steps, that's it. No!
Take your time.
Take your time.
Nice.
That's it, Josh. Get to the black one. Come on.
Come on, Josh. Come on,
Come on,
Josh.
Josh.
Come on,
That's it.
Go.
1,
10 seconds.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on, Josh.
come on.
Let's
go.
Get to the black one. Come
Come
on.
on, another few steps.
Just keep it going, Josh.
Coming, keep coming.
That's
on.
it, brutal.
Come on, Josh.
Get to
Head
the
up,
black
chest
one.
up.
Come on.
Chest
That's it now. Oh, what an attempt, man.
Moly.
Oh, that was brutal.
Yeesh. That's
Josh.
brutal, baby.
Yeah.
That's brutal.
Well done, lads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
That's awesome, man.
Right, you're in the lead. Yeah, they're intact,
Yeah.
more or less. Let's go, Finley. Come on.
Go,
Come on.
Come on, Aaron.
Let's go, Finn. Come on.
Let's go.
Big drive.
Grip
Come on.
set, Finn.
That's
Yes,
good now.
that's it.
Keep your chin up. Yeah.
Good, Finn. Take your time. Take your time.
Get to that black one. Come on. That's
Yeah.
it, my
Good,
lad.
Finn.
Come on,
That's
Finn.
All right,
Dig
Finn.
in.
Take your
Let's
time.
go, Finn. Come on. Get to that black one. Come on.
Oh, boy, Finn.
Got it, mate. Come on.
Yeah.
Let's see it.
What?
Come on.
Come on.
Get to these posts.
Just
Come on,
about there.
Finn.
Keep it going.
5 more steps. Come on.
Keep working, Finn. Come on, Finn.
Incredible, man.
Jesus.
Keep going.
Finn.
Come on. Oh, what a attempt. Right.
10 seconds.
That's insane.
3,
Great.
4,
Come on, Finn.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Take your time.
Come on.
Get it set at the top.
Brilliant. Come
One
on.
step at a time. Come on.
Oh, what?
Nice.
Well done,
God,
man.
Finn.
That was incredible, man. Wow. Oh,
Damn.
Good job.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Incredible.
That's good fun.
Hands all right.
I think so.
Oh, right.
Certainly felt it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was amazing to have
Okay.
everybody around me shouting. Yeah, that was sick. It's like primal.
Primal, mate. That's
Yeah.
what the fuck it is, man. Lifting some stupid rocks in a field in Scotland.
That's a lot of fun.
Why the fuck are we doing it?
real strongman stuff. Yeah.
Fucking class. Tops off, kilt on.
Yeah.
Done. Fucking.
Come on.
Amazing.
Fucking Europe's strongest man of the 80s, mate. Let's fucking go.
Let's go, man. Come on.
Come on, let's dig
What
in.
you got, Rich? Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Come on, Rich. There you go. Step by
There you go,
step.
Rich. Good.
Well, 1,
It's all right.
2, 3,
Come on, Rich.
4,
You got to figure it out, Rich. Come on.
5,
Go, lads.
6, 7. Well done, Paul.
It's all right.
It's all right. Well done, Paul.
All right, mate.
Yeah, spot on.
Come, brother.
Need fucking bigger hands.
Fucking brutal, mate.
Oh, come on, let's get a good in. Let's get to that bottom one.
Let's go, Kyle.
Come on, Kyle.
Oh, Kyle, come on.
Don't let Finn beat you now.
That's it, Kyle. That's good.
Yeah.
That's perfect, Kyle. That's it. Great pickup, man.
Fucking dig in, mate. Come on.
Come on.
Little steps, come on, come on.
Little steps. Come on. Get him off the ground. Come on.
Come on, Kyle, come on.
That's it.
There you go, Kyle.
There you go.
That's it, Kyle. Come on.
Come on.
Breathe in. Come on.
Come on, Kyle.
It's
Keep it
easy,
up,
man.
Kyle.
Keep it going.
Come on. Come on. We'll get to this post. Come on.
Let's go, Kyle. Come on, Kyle.
Come on, Kyle, dig in.
Come on.
Dig in, Kyle.
Come on, Kyle.
Come on, Kyle.
Come on.
Come on. Solid.
Come on. Come on, Kyle.
You got it, Kyle. Come on, keep going.
1,
Good run.
2, 3,
Good
4,
job, Kyle. Keep going.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Up we go, mate. There you go. Come on. 4 feet. Let's go, mate. Come on.
Finish it.
Nice.
Oh, well done, Paul.
Did I get
Well done,
Oh,
Kyle.
that's brutal, man. Absolutely brutal.
16 foot 1 inch. How was that for you?
I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. My arm didn't blow up, so that's good. That's what I was worried about. Oh my goodness.
You impressed with the guys?
Fucking class, aye, really good. It's just nice to see them getting stuck in and you know it's sore. Like that's the thing. A lot of the time when you're gripping like that, you got your hook grip in and the stones are dragging off your legs. It's pain more than anything. But you just got to switch that on and just fucking just do it. You know, that's what I said, it's like primal shit, you know, it's really primal. So this is what it is. Big Dean now, he's
There he is.
It's good, you know.
Let's go, Dean. Let's
There
get
he
to
is.
this
Come
flat
on.
one. Come on.
Let's see it.
Let's do it, Dean.
What do you got, Dean? Come on.
Drive. That's it.
Come on,
Keep
Dean.
going.
All right. Come on.
Come on,
3.
Dean.
Come forward,
on.
Dean. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Let's go.
there you go, mate. Now we're in.
Great job, Dean. Keep it tight.
There you go.
That's it now,
There
Paul.
you go.
Well done. Oh. Brutal. Well done, Paul.
No hooker for you, Dean? Nah. Sorry. Didn't really know what was going on. I did the first pick
That was everybody, yeah?
normal. Then somebody shouted try hook and I was like, I don't know how.
Come on.
Let's go, Jacob. Come on.
Come on, Jacob, let's go, mate.
Come on, let's
Big pull,
fight.
mate. Come on.
Straight up.
Stand straight up.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep
There
going.
you go.
There you go.
Nice.
There you go.
Here we go.
Well done, Paul.
There you go.
Come on, one more.
Hey, you got one. Do one more.
Let's go.
Come on, man. Come on.
Come forward a bit, Jacob, with your
can do
feet.
it. Yeah,
Forward a
keep
bit.
forward.
Yeah, there.
you go. Big pick, mate. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Yeah.
Come on.
Let's go.
Yes, man.
Go.
Well done.
But like, when's the next time you're going to get a chance to try this? Come on.
How do you feel?
It hurts so bad, and it's really heavy, but that was awesome.
Just picking him up is major.